First, I want to begin by saying that we all welcome wholeheartedly the 10-page order issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, which puts the national song Vande Mataram first. After years, after decades, the Modi government has given the due respect that Vande Mataram deserves. According to this order, if the national song and national anthem are played or sung together, the national song, that is Vande Mataram, will be given primacy, which means it will be played first. Most importantly, everybody, and listen to me, Asaduddin Owaisi, listen to me with your ears wide open. When it is played, you will have to stand in full attention, Asaduddin Owaisi and Rahul Gandhi. But most importantly, the full 6-stanza version of the national song, ladies and gentlemen, including the 4 stanzas that had been historically excluded by the Congress from official use, must be played or sung. Therefore, what comes back? I am happy to share that paragraph 5, therefore, with references to Ma Durga, Ma Saraswati, Goddess Lakshmi, are all brought back. This is therefore the original Vande Mataram which will be played. Viewers, please remember, who had a problem with the original Vande Mataram? The radicals had a problem, the Muslim League had a problem, Jinnah had a problem, and Rahul Gandhi, I hope, does not have a problem. Jinnah had a problem, and therefore Asaduddin Owaisi has a problem. Now it is no longer a matter of choice. The national song, the Vande Mataram, will be played at state functions, civilian award ceremonies, flag hoisting events, and during arrivals and departures of the President and governors at formal events. Ladies and gentlemen, schools across India have now been directed to include Vande Mataram in school assemblies and promote respect for national symbols. Therefore, we, in a very significant way, not a small way, are reversing all the wrongs, and all those people who do not accept Vande Mataram are people who want to take all the benefits of being an Indian citizen, but do not accept the civilizational heritage of our country. Hindu civilization, references to Hindu gods, and I'll say it clearly, are part of the great civilizational heritage of this country. You may be from any religion, but there is no reason for you to believe that the civilizational heritage of this country does not apply to you. It does.